Question number 5. Now, you said you've got how old was your eldest child? 16?
15, yeah, 15, 16. 14, 15, 16-year-old.
Wow, you were busy. When the oldest turns 20 and she comes to you and says, Mum, I've just got $20,000 cash I've saved up. How would I invest it? What are you going to tell her?
Well, interestingly, Taran, yesterday I was speaking at an event and I had a 21-year-old come up to me and ask me this exact question, but the difference was she had $250,000 and she didn't know what to do with it, right? So I was like, firstly, insane and amazing that you've even got that sort of money, so a huge pat on the back. And she says, I just don't know what to do with this $250,000. And I thought back to the conversation that we had when I interviewed you and asked this question, and I said, look, I know this is $20,000 worth of $250,000, but I think the answer is pretty much the same. I just said to her, look, allocate a portion to go and experience life. So, allocate a portion, go and travel, whatever connects with you, whatever it is that you love to do, go and experience that and get some life experience under your belt that's going to inspire you, invigorate you, give you headspace to just have some life experience, right? So I said, allocate and think about that. And then for the rest of the funds, think about what is it that you want to be doing? Do you want to be buying a house? Do you want to create some income flow through that? What do you enjoy doing? Do you like tracking shares, or do you like building homes? Have a think about what connects with you. And she said, I like doing both. I said, well, you could either invest in yourself and do a portion in shares, and you could also either buy property. You could either develop your own property, buy a single home and go for a principal place of residence strategy where you buy a block of land, build a house on it, live in it for 12 months, flip it, get the tax benefits of that, and then do another one because she's so young and do that as a strategy if she wanted to. Or she could be a money partner and get a return on that investment as well. So I said to her, have a think. There were a lot of speakers at yesterday's event. So have a think about all the things you've heard. What connects with you personally? What do you think would inspire you? Because you also want to enjoy what you're doing as well. But then educate yourself about whatever strategy you're going to be doing, and make sure you're getting a return on that money as well. So that's what I said to her. And so to break that down as a 20-year-old, because I'm sure my girls will be there before I know it, I'd do the same thing. I say, take 5 or 10K, go and travel for 12 months or 6 months or however long you want, and just get some life experience under your belt. Because I really do think I did the same thing when I was younger. And I remember staying in backpackers and, sleeping on train floors because, our train was leaving earlier, and absolutely living on the bones of our ass, right? But there were so many incredible experiences that came out of that. Life experiences around managing money and managing adversity and things like life skills, communicating with people from all different walks of life and different cultures, and their life skills that can translate in so many different ways when you're older as well. So I'll do the same thing. Go and travel and live for a while, and then invest whatever the balance is, either in some sort of education that's going to help you create an income stream to help set yourself up for life.
Fantastic. So just to let the audience know, so when Amanda asked me that question, I said a similar thing. I said I want my daughter to go away for a year with $20,000 and not hit me up and travel around the world and not hit me up for any money for a year. So there you go. You'll learn some major life skills.
If you like this podcast, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do, and you leave a comment, send me an email to tyron@washingtonbrown.com.au and I'll send you a couple of my books for free.